What happened here? Take a deep breath. Leo, tell me everything.
I just wanted to add a son, Mommy.
Helping is sweet, but you must ask first. Never touch other people's things without asking, okay? Leo made a mistake, but calm down, Maya. Let's fix this together.
I understand, Mommy. I am sorry for yelling. I am so sorry, Maya. Please forgive me. It's okay, Leo. I'm sorry I yelled too.
That's my good kids. Let's paint a new one.
But the contest is tomorrow. It's too late.
Don't worry, sweetie. We will help you.
Leo, can you paint the trees green, please? Sure. I will be very, very careful.
Snack time for our amazing little artists.
I am so nervous. Who will win?
And the first prize goes to Maya's amazing painting!
Yay! We did it! Thank you, Leo. Best team ever, Maya. I am so happy. We made this beautiful painting together.
I'm so proud of you, Maya. And remember, kids, always say sorry, say thank you, and never touch things without asking first.
Have you ever ruined something by accident? How did you fix it? Tell us below. Mommy, look at the white clouds. We are flying in the blue sky. I'm so excited for our summer vacation. Where are we going?
We are going to a famous island. Can you guess the name?
We are going to Hawaii. It has the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Yay! Go to Hawaii! I love the beach.
The ocean is beautiful, and this coconut is very sweet.
Leo, let's build a big sand castle. We need more sand. Mommy, come here. Can you help us build it, please?
Okay, I am coming. What are you building, my kids?
We are building a big sand castle. Do you want to play?
Yes, I do. Let's make a very tall tower together.
Look, Mommy. My sand tower is very big and tall. Look at the ocean. What is Daddy doing?
Hello, family. Look at me. I am surfing on a big wave.
He is surfing. Do you know? Surfing started here in Hawaii.
Wow, Daddy is so cool. Can I try? I want to surf too.
Yes, you can. Come here to the water with me, Leo. Stand up slowly, Leo. Look at the ocean.
I am a surfer.
Be careful, Ethan. The wave is very big.
Oh no! The water is cold!
Oh my goodness. Are you two okay?
We are okay.
It is fun. Daddy is swimming. He is not surfing.
You are right, Maya. I think we have enough swimming for today.
You are very wet. Let's change our clothes and buy some souvenirs.
Yay! We love to buy souvenirs.
Let's go.
Wow, the market is so colorful. Wow, what are these?
These are seashells from the ocean.
They are beautiful. Mommy, I want a seashell necklace, please.
Yes, of course. It's perfect for you.
Mommy, look! A baby guitar!
It is an ukulele. A traditional Hawaiian instrument.
I like it. It sounds very happy.
Okay, let's buy them.
How much are they?
They are $20. Do you know about the big luau party tonight? Your clothes are very perfect for it.
Yes, we are waiting for the festival. We are wearing these beautiful flower necklaces from this morning. Look at that. The airport is so beautiful.
Look, they are dancing. They look so pretty.
Yes, Maya, that is the traditional hula dance.
Aloha! Welcome to Hawaii! Please wear these beautiful flowers.
Listen to the loud drums. The luau party is starting.
Yay! Let's run to the beach and join the party.
Aloha! Welcome to our big Hawaiian luau party!
What are they doing?
They are dancing. It is called hula.
Excuse me. Is this hula dance different from the morning?
Yes, in the morning, hula is a welcome dance. We say aloha, but at night it is a big party. We wear beautiful clothes and we tell a story. We talk with our hands. Come join us.
Yes, we do! Your dancing is very beautiful and special.
Come on, kids. Let's dance the hula together with everyone.
Yay! This is the best party in the world!
I love Hawaii.
Hawaii is a very interesting place. It has a unique culture.
What is your favorite experience here? Please tell us. I love the hula dance most. Please like and share our video.
And do not forget to subscribe to our channel.
Mahalo and aloha.
See you next time. Goodbye. Hello? Is anybody home? Oh no! Look, Leo. It's completely empty. Just one bottle of water.
Daddy, I am so hungry. My tummy is rumbling. Do we have anything? Egg? Or maybe some chicken?
No chicken? No eggs. Nothing.
Don't worry, Leo. Mom will be home soon. Maybe she will bring food.
Wait! I have a great idea. Let's order pizza. A big pizza with extra cheese. Yum yum.
No pizza today. I bought sandwiches.